كوما.
كما ولا semicolon?
سيمي كولون.
This is it. So it's different. It's different, okay? So that's true. فإذا one other way to join two independent clauses could be through a semicolon. فإذا two independent clauses require a coordinator to make a compound sentence. كمان these two independent clauses can be joined by a semicolon when the two sentences are closely connected. وكمان we might use a conjunctive adverb like what? Conjunctive adverb like what? Guys, we studied these last week.
مس مش مثل then next.
لا, these are not
for.
conjunctive adverbs. They are transitions, okay, but they are time sequencers, you know?
اه اوكي.
Conjunctive adverb, for example, moreover, however, furthermore, in addition, besides, therefore,
meanwhile.
therefore.
اوكي.
طيب, هول الconjunctive adverbs require a semicolon before and a comma after. ما بعرف, it seems هيك you have missed something. Let me share a document with you to better understand. How we use close connectors. It's normal after we studied the different types of sentences to move to linking devices. So what do we mean by linking devices? How many types of linking devices have we got? Hala, what did you say? Coordinators? And they are four. Yalla, I'm sharing this Word document. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Great. Linking devices. So linking devices, or in other words, we call close connectors. They are divided into four types. Coordinating conjunctions, illustrated by the word fanboys. Correlative conjunctions, the examples I shared with you, like either or, neither nor, not only but also. Subordinators, like what? Subordinators, like when, while, as, since, because, before, after, if, although, though. Aren't you familiar with these words? طيب, هول السبوردينيتورز are required to make a complex sentence. ما درسنا last week. Complex sentence requires a subordinator عندي dependent و independent clauses, okay? طيب, فإذا coordinators, correlative conjunctions, subordinators, and conjunctive adverbs. I will share with you a few examples of each. So as for the beginning, this reminds you of the fanboys. Number two, correlative conjunctions such as either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. أكيد these can be used to connect nouns or to connect clauses. يعني for example, either you eat at home or you can dine in a restaurant. So we have got two clauses. Either the students or the instructor is joining the meeting tomorrow. So we may use nouns and we may use clauses. Subordinating conjunctions, as we can see, they connect dependent or independent clauses أكيد to form complex sentences. وfinally, conjunctive adverbs. These are some examples of conjunctive adverbs. أكيد this is not all. هلا, as for conjunctive adverbs, أكيد each of them has a particular meaning. يعني when we use however, معناتها it replaces but as a coordinator. When we use moreover, يعني it replaces and as a coordinator. When we use otherwise, have you used otherwise before? طيب, what does it mean? How can we replace it by a coordinator? Which coordinator means otherwise? Among the fanboys, there's a coordinator that means otherwise. I will say nothing. I will keep silent till you give me the answer. Choose one of the coordinators that has the meaning of otherwise. Really? Is that it? One coordinator that means otherwise. Of course not, but expresses contradiction, two contrasting ideas. Otherwise ما فيها contradiction. Let me know when you are هيك done thinking, racking your brain to come up with
فينا
the
نقول
correct
maybe
answer.
أو maybe ما خص.
What is that?
maybe
يا جماعة عم قلكن one of the fanboys عم بحكي عربي. Choose one among the fanboys that can be replaced by otherwise. وحياة. What is that? حتجننوني. نور ولا اور؟ Did you say نور or or? It's or, yes. إنه صعبة إيه صعبة إنه or means otherwise. ما otherwise يعني عم تعطي replacement يعني it means or. اللي بدي وصلكم إياه هي ال variety of writing. يعني نحن when we write we have to make هيك meaningful sentences and we have to vary the types of sentences we are using in our writing. يعني one time I use a coordinator, the other time I use one of the conjunctive adverbs. However, still I mean a coordinator and I'm replacing the coordinator by a conjunctive adverb. One way we are making changes, okay, عم نستعمل variety و multiple transitions in order to maintain coherence in our writing. ما في good writing إذا ما في discourse markers وإذا ما في conjunctive adverbs و correlative conjunctions و subordinators و coordinators. Okay? I can see that you need هيك to do some practice. Maybe when you use these frequently, they stick to your mind. Yeah. Let's start with exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks. أكيد هلا we will share what each word means, whether it's a coordinator. يعني we will talk about the function of these words. Have a look at exercise 1, sentences 1 through 5. Try to solve it in 1 minute and then you can share your answers. Are you ready?
Yes.
يلا بدوان. Number 1.
يلا دكتور.
I mean today,
I
right?
wanted to go for a walk, but it was raining.
I wanted to go, but it was raining. So Badwan, in order to revise what we covered last week, tell me please, what is the type of the sentence we are forming and what's the function of the coordinator? What does it indicate? كتير اشتغلنا last week على type of sentences. George Haber.
Yes, miss.
So what's the type of the sentence we are making? You are raising your hand, yeah, George.
Yeah, man, I was raising that for put to one of these.
Rami, what about the type of sentence in number 1?
مش compound.
It is a compound sentence, definitely. And what about but? Does it give additional idea ولا contradiction? ما في reason, ما في مش مقبول. مش مقبول. We have but. Is that reason ولا contradiction?
لا
يعني
contradiction.
يا دكتور.
ما في يعني ما في انه تقول لي هي شيء وانت in your mind something else. Okay, please note that we use but for contradiction. خلصت. في عندي contrasting ideas. يعني when I say for example she studied but she failed, هيدا contradiction. انه if she studied أنا I expect she would pass. She studied but she failed, هيدا contradiction. Okay. George Haber, number 2.
Okay. She studied hard, therefore she passed the exam.
تمام. What about therefore? Is it a coordinator? Is it a conjunctive adverb? Is it a correlative conjunction? يلا tell me. Do you know how I can figure it out? From the punctuation marks that are required. So we have got a semicolon and we have got a comma.
Yes, so it's a compound.
I'm not asking now about the type of the sentence. I'm asking about the function of therefore. Is it a
Okay.
conjunctive adverb ولا subordinator?
Is it subordinator?
أكيد it's not a subordinator. لآخر مرة. For the last time, I will tell you